Engineering is not just, being good at math and science and all that stuff. Quite often it's creative problem solving, it's working in teams, and if you want to actually have the best possible group of minds to solve big problems that help humanity, you want to bring everybody to the table. Anyone can do this. And so we just want to open that door.
This camp interested me because it teaches you things that I haven't learned in any other summer camps.
The first time I was at this camp, I made a radio, and so it was really fun the first time to hear it actually play a song, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. So it was really cool to see that.
I think it's important that we do these camps because Penn State should always be at the leadership position of trying to improve diversity and the quality of students in STEM fields. This provides students across Pennsylvania, particularly young women, an opportunity to gain the background and the education, the degrees they need to be successful in these high-tech fields and allow them to also have a very large impact on society in a positive way.
We think such camps are a great vehicle to reach out to young kids, to let the kids see for themselves what are computer scientists, what are engineers. After you expose them to what it takes, they see that the most difficult part is actually to be creative, and the rest of the implementation, the coding, the knowledge is just the vehicles that help you to realize what you envisioned.
I feel like there's just so much potential in computer science, and not just programming. We used Unity to make models, and then we downloaded that onto a phone, put that in a VR headset, and then we got to explore what we made. That was really, really cool.
It interested me because it was a lot of hands-on learning, but there were also field trips to different areas of campus where they have electrical engineering and different types of engineerings.
I hope students can realize electrical engineering and computer science have many important applications in education, training, and online shopping, manufacturing, healthcare, and use this technology to improve our life in the future.
You can do, anything. You could project a tiger in the middle of your bedroom. You could be in a volcano when you're in your living room. I got to not only see these things, but I got to use and experience these things, and that was amazing.